A very good evening, one and all. Today I'm coming in front of you with a very different topic. Many times you have asked me questions about SAP certification. Let us understand today what are the main questions that are in everybody's mind and what are the answers to it. We keep on searching this information here and there. Sometimes we get overwhelmed, sometimes we get confused with the information. I thought, let me share these answers with you, which will be helpful for you to start your journey of learning and getting certified in SAP functional modules or technical modules. So let us start. The first question that is there in everybody's mind is, what is SAP? So some of you may not be knowing about SAP. For them, let me tell you that SAP is a company. It's a German company who makes software solutions. It's a software development, software solutions company who is present worldwide. It has got a lot of products. They have been innovating and coming up with lots of products. Major category of their products is ERP softwares. They also have softwares based on analytics. They have some softwares which are based on customer relationship management, product lifecycle management. Some of them are also IoT based, AI based. There are industry specific solutions, cloud based solutions. Today, our focus of the discussion will be ERP. And what is ERP? It is Enterprise Resource Planning, as the full form is rightly mentioned. We have a software which allows us to integrate departmental information. You will say, what are the departments? Such as sales, purchase, production, finance, HR. They produce a lot of information, and this information is integrated using a software which is called as Enterprise Resource Planning software. Major software which is sold, made and sold by SAP is this ERP software. So many times we know SAP as an ERP product company, but it is not the sole identity. They make a lot of kinds of softwares. ERP is one of them. Let us move to the next question. What is SAP certification? Okay, now you said that SAP is a company. Now, what is this certification? This company has come up with the education about the software. And when you get a training for the software, that is the ERP software developed by SAP as a company, then you can validate your training. At the end of the training, you can go for a certification exam, and that is what is called as SAP certification. There are a lot of SAP certifications available. We can go and search more on SAP website www.sap.com/training contains a lot of information about certifications, but we need to get certified in one of the modules of SAP ERP so that we can call ourselves as either consultants or maybe developers or maybe solutions architects and so on. Why SAP certification? Some of you who are new to the job market may have heard about it, but quite not sure why SAP certification. Let me tell you that after completing your training, successfully clearing the exam, you get a certificate which is valid throughout your life. and it is valued, accepted, taken by almost all the companies which are in all the countries. So that is a benefit of having this certification. It does not require you to refresh or reinvest to carry this credential with you. Once you clear the certification exam and get the certificate, it remains with you forever. Another reason is, of course, SAP certification gives us an advantage over others who are competing with us in the job market. So, that is also one more reason why SAP certification is sought by many professionals as well as fresh graduates. What are the certifications available? If I have to talk about SAP certifications, there are variety of certifications that are available. You can go to the certification hub that is available on SAP website and search for various different certifications. Today, we will talk about two main certifications. One is a functional consultant certification, and the other one is a technical certification. If you do the training modules which are particular to one functional module, such as sales and distribution, materials management, financial accounting, production planning, human capital management, then you become a certified functional consultant. If you complete the training for SAP ABAP, that is the technology using which SAP softwares are written, and if you clear the certification exam, you become a technical consultant. There are various other technical consulting certifications available with SAP. You are always welcome to visit the website of SAP to find out the suitable certification or the certification of your choice. What are the benefits? We have seen why the certification. Now let us understand what are the benefits. Benefits is that when I am certified by a company which is working globally, then of course my resume will get some weightage. That is the first thing. The second thing can be the pay packages which are offered to my same level people, professionals who do not have this certification, then I am deserving some more package compared to the ones who do not have this certification. It is, after all, a skill that you are adding to your CV, and hence in the job market you can stand out and your salaries can be more compared to others who do not have this certification and stand at the same level as of yours. Benefits are also that you can understand very well the business processes that work in an organization. This software, that is SAP ERP, has all the standard business processes. When you are doing this training, you understand what are the standard ways the business processes in an organization work. Now, this is an added advantage in your CV. You can, during the interviews, you can impress the interviewers when you talk the correct terminology and explain the business processes in the right words. Freshers are also allowed to go for this certification. Who have graduation are always welcome. All right, so now these are some of the benefits. Of course, there are very many advantages of getting certified. We will see them later in the further talk. Shall I do the certification if I am a fresher? And I said very much yes. You can go for SAP certification if you are just a graduate. You are a graduate and you have started working in an organization, you can still appear for SAP certification exam. If you have experience, if you have done a masters, then also you can appear for the exam. If you are already at a mid level, like 5 years, 7 years, 10 years working in a particular vertical in the company, and you want to switch over your career from maybe the end users or functional roles to the consulting roles, then also you are welcome to complete the certifications, get certified, and start working in a new role. Where can I get the jobs after completion? And what are the job roles? This is a very, very common question that is there in everybody's mind. The jobs after you complete the training, you appear for the certification exam, you have many companies who have already implemented SAP ERP. You can join these companies. They also require functional consultants. They have their own in-house teams. You can join them. There is also an end user role that is offered to many of us who complete SAP certifications. So we can join as end user or we can join as a consultant in some companies who have already implemented SAP. Those of them who are first time adopting SAP ERP, we can be a champion from the company who is adopting SAP ERP. If there is a company who is migrating from other softwares to SAP ERP, such as from Oracle to SAP, Tally to SAP, then also we can be one team member for this project. The job roles also, I am telling you, if you have a certification in ABAP, then also you can join a team who can support the organization with their customized development needs. What will be the salary range? So as I said, the salary range is of course more than what non-certified students, if you are just a fresh graduate, then all other students, what they will be offered, minimum 50,000 INR, that is rupees. I'm talking from the Indian context here. They will be getting minimum 50% more than what is being offered at a fresher level to the other students who are not certified. You can, if you are already experienced person, then of course when you are joining a new role, then there is a chance that you may get a hike. Of course, a lot depends on how do you convince the interviewers, but having a certification certainly makes you stand out from the crowd. The chances increase and the salary, even sometimes across the table when the interview is going on, salary packages are increased. We have seen it. Which modules should I select? In India, it is seen that the fresh engineering graduates who have completed mechanical engineering go for materials management module. Those graduates who have completed Bachelor of Commerce, they go for FI, that is financial accounting certifications or module trainings. Those of them who have human resource, MBA in human resource, they go for success factors or human capital management related certifications. And we have some logistics or materials management or supply chain related certifications which are selected further by the students who are having experience. So if for example you are a person who is already in sales and you do not know about the SAP way of working, certainly you can select sales and distribution as a module and get certified. What is the duration of the training? We say the training duration before COVID times, it used to be 200 hours per functional module. It is up to you based on what pace you can understand the things. We can complete the training earlier if you have a good understanding about the SAP terms and the standard processes. Typically, you will need some time to understand how SAP terminology works, SAP business processes are configured, and then you can complete the training in less than 200 hours also. How is the examination conducted in today's situation of COVID? The examination is conducted completely online. 24/7, you can schedule the exam anytime. Sitting at your own home, you can appear for this certification exam. Which all companies can I get a job? You can work with companies such as ONGC, IOCL, BPCL who have already SAP implementations, maybe Tata Motors, Volkswagen, Mahindra who have already implemented SAP ERP. You may also work with Berger Paints, Asian Paints, Usha fans, Khaitan fans. There are so many very successful Cadbury, very successful implementations of SAP where these organizations recruit SAP trained people. As an example, I can say that those who complete TERP certifications, that has become a must if you want to enter SIDCO organization. SIDCO has made it compulsory for their employees to go for TERP certifications. With this, I have answered some of the questions that are in your mind. Of course, there are more detailed discussion that you are expecting. I am sharing here the contact details. I represent Sadhana Varsity, and you can always keep in touch with me through the mobile number which is given. It is present even on WhatsApp, so you can anytime call me or you can ping me and send your query. I will be very happy to answer all your queries. All the very best for you to start your journey in SAP training and certification and become the most preferred professional. Wish you all the best. Thank you so much.